Oh my God! It's Papa! Look at me! Papa, look at me!
Good boy.
This thing slides great.
I know.
Oh, Tyler, keep walking here. Tyler, follow this path right here. Take it all the way back there to the dog. Right here. Over here. Come on, try pushing it down. Come on, push it. Whoa. Yeah, he's going to get stuck. Woo! All right, you want to get in the sled? No? You going to help her? No, this is deep, Tyler. What are you doing? What are you doing, Chunky? Come on, let me go get her camera.
Move.
Huh?
Move.
I'm physically exhausted. Here, go back, save it down. We'll do a little bit at a time.
I can.
See if we can pull him off here. Come on.
Go this way.
Huh?
Go this way.
Hold on. Come on. Watch out, Ty. I gotta turn around. Yeah, that's the patch up there. Huh? That looks good on you. Oh my God. Wait a minute. Daisy, it would help if you were a lighter baby. Yeah, I know. All right, watch out, doggies. Watch out. Come on, baby, watch out. Here it comes. Look at it. You don't catch balls? No? Watch out. Come on, Tom. Here, come. Come on, go. Come on, Come on, Tom. Come on, Chloe. Hi, Daisy. Here it comes, Chloe. Watch out, Coco. Seriously, son. There. Okay, ready? Here it comes! Was that kind of funny? Hey! Who's throwing snowballs at him? Tyler, watch out, Ty. Are you stuck? The other night. Sorry, Ty.
I got you later than
Hey, sure, I was hoping you made him cry. That been so funny. Hey, sure, make him cry. It's your kid.
all day.
There you go. Payback. Good one.
Mom, don't do it yet.
That's the kind of snow that you can build a nice fort with.
Dad, don't do it yet.
We used to build forts when we were little with snow like this and then have snowball fights.
Hey, you're doing this.
I made you cry.
No. Do it to Mama.
You know that?
Because I didn't go down there.
How come Papa likes it when I play snowballs like this? I get to the basket. You're like a big target.
Tyler, turn your back when
Get you nail the amber.
Did I?
Your mother did.
I